This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to build Astra Z24. First, let's outline the crucial planning phase. Begin by defining your project's scope and desired outcomes. Consider the specific functionalities you want your Astra Z24 to achieve. Researching compatible components and necessary tools is vital for a successful build. A well-structured plan, including a budget and timeline, will guide you through the entire process, ensuring efficiency and preventing unexpected hurdles. Now, let's focus on selecting the right components for your Astra Z24. Opt for a powerful core processor with at least 8 cores to handle complex tasks efficiently. Memory modules should offer a minimum of 16 GB for smooth multitasking. A robust power supply unit, delivering at least 750 watts, is essential for stable operation. Always verify component compatibility to avoid any issues during assembly. With your components ready, it's time for assembly and integration. Begin by carefully installing the core processor onto the main board, ensuring perfect alignment. Next, securely mount the memory modules into their designated slots until you hear a click. Connect the power supply unit to all components, paying close attention to proper cable routing. Finally, integrate all peripherals and manage cables for optimal airflow and a clean build. The final stage involves thorough testing and deployment. First, perform initial power-on tests to confirm all components are recognized and functioning correctly. Proceed with installing your chosen operating system and all essential drivers. Conduct rigorous stress tests for at least 24 hours to ensure stability and reliability under heavy loads. Once satisfied, deploy your Astra Z24 for its intended purpose, monitoring its initial performance closely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.